Hey there gamers, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can get the double-headed Axe of Greed in Crimson Desert. Now first things first, you want to come to this area of the map. I'm just going to zoom out here so you can see that I am at the bottom of Steel Mountains just here. So here is Hernand, and what you want to do is come all the way down to the southeast to the Steel Mountains. And what you want to do, just so you can see where I am on the map exactly, is look at the S just here. You want to line yourself up roughly here on the right, so you can see that my pointer here is directly below the right hand side of the S. So if you line up your coordinates like this, aim for this spot on the map. You can mark it as well with an X if you want on your own map. You want to come to just here and you should be able to see the ocean, and what you're looking for is this sunken ship just here. And all you want to do basically is come down to the ship. If you've not been here before, there will be a couple of trash monsters, just sort of pirates that are very, very easy to defeat. You don't really need to bring food or anything. They die very, very easily. And then what you want to do, I was actually really surprised at how difficult it was to get this. You want to jump all the way down to the bottom of the ship. I actually spent quite a lot of time just rummaging through this, finding nothing. And you want to look for these crates just here. If you actually just look just here, there is a handle sticking out of the ground. And there we go. We've now picked up the double-headed Axe of Greed. And if I open up my inventory here and come over to the weapons, you can see that the double-headed Axe of Greed has 20 attack here with level 3 critical strike. It's already got 5 refinement to it, and it sells for a good chunk of money as well if you don't want to use it. But a fantastic weapon, really, really good one to find. A good upgrade for me, and it looks pretty sick as well, I'm happy to say. So yeah, really hope that this tutorial helped, guys. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It's greatly appreciated, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.